design layout for your roadway project.
Okay, hello everyone. Thanks for joining our free online lesson again. So for this topic, I'm Shafiq Farhan. I will do short free online lesson, 30 minutes, which are focused on topics AutoLISPs, ACAD system. So basically, we are from ACAD system. We did provide a free LIPS that you can download from our blogs that we already posted. So now for today's, we will learn how to install, download, install, and also use all the tools that we already provided. Okay, so thanks for Miss Inani that joined for using our Zoom Live, Mike and PH Huang. Okay, thanks for joining our AutoLISPs topics. So I believe that everyone loves to learn AutoLISPs because this will be the tools that can improve your productivity while using AutoCAD. So let's straight away go to our topics. So for AutoLISPs, okay, let me share again. Right, so for AutoLISPs here, so what we can do, first thing first, you need to download, okay, via acadpgkl.blogspot.com. Okay, if you're not really sure, you just go to Google, search for acadpgkl.blogspot. So it will brings you to, so for this will be the URL that given here. So acadpgkl.blogspot.com. So once you already go to this portal, so the easiest way to find LIPS that we give in a bundle way, so just go to 2019. Okay, the top one, you will see that ACAD system add-on bonus tool until 24. Okay, already updated. Okay, and good news, AutoCAD LT also able to use, AutoCAD LT 2024 also able to use these LIPS. Okay, so later we will give one topics for new features for AutoCAD and AutoCAD LT. So in future, right? So this will be the things that we are going to share. So you just go to this blogspot, go to 2019, then scroll to the downside. You will see that this installer zip file. Okay, just go to this installer zip file. Make sure that you open this page, directly click download, and direct paste to your folder, which is on your C drive. Okay, on your C drive here. Okay, so you just download and paste here. So in case you already have it, then you just need to delete it. Okay, the second step. Okay, so I already paste into a C drive. Okay, make sure that my folder will become C, ACAD full C. So now the next step, which is from this zip file, I just need to right click and extract to here. Right, so thanks Mr. Chun, KK Sabah, and also Shin join our free online lesson, AutoLISPs topics. Okay, so after you extract here, you will see this folder. So to make sure that your folder in the correct position, just click on this address bar. You will see that C, ACAD full C. You will see everything here. Okay, so they will have two major problems that after you extract. The first one, it will become C, ACAD full C / ACAD full C. That one, you need to copy everything and then paste to C, ACAD full C. Or the second major problem, your zip file already become this bracket 2, bracket 3. Okay, so this one also become C, ACAD full C, bracket 2. So that one, your LIPS cannot run properly. Okay, the third method, the third way after you download and extract. So use this command, menu LOAD, menu load. Never click unload here. So you just need to go to browse. Okay, look for your folder again. So C, ACAD full C. Change this file type to MNU. Okay, you will see that we have two types of MNU, for full version and for LT version. Okay, you can just upload both, no problem. So my recommendation, just open this one, ACADSYS 2023, and just hit load. The fourth step, after you're done with menu load, just use this app load. APPLOAD, upload. So Acad full C again, look for this full line-P LSP. Click load. Make sure that this until you see that full 9 LSP successfully loaded. Okay, make sure that until you get this button. So then also you need to make sure that this area you start for the startup suite. Okay, to ensure that after this, no need to load manually every time you open AutoCAD. Go to here, click add full 9 also. So you will see on top here, there will be button that already shared. So let's jump to our first exercise using lips that we share. So I just jump to the first topic, which is PTCC and PTCC1. Over here, when you have one object with a tagging, and then you plan to maybe you copy to the another side and then just change the number, this will be the normal method. So I select this object, CO, and I just can go to here. For example, here, 1, 2, 3. Then what I need to do, I just need to double click and change the number 1 to 2. 1 become 3, and the last one become 4, which is a little bit time consuming if you need to work with thousands of numbering. Using the lips that were given, you can use either array method or copy method. Okay, let's go array method. So array method, we will use PTCC. Enter. So the increment number that I want, for this case, I want increment, the object will increase 1 by 1. Enter. Then I just need to select object, press enter. So over here, I want to focus on this distance, okay, from this point to this point. Okay, I just need to move my mouse, then you will see that the lips help to upgrade or to increase the number by 1. Okay, depends on the value that we key in using array method. So all the distance will become the same. Right, so what if I want to use a copy method? So I just need to use a PTCC1. So select this object, PTCC1, enter. So I just need to specify this one for the increment number, same 1. Okay, specify the base point here. Then I can just directly click for the second point, third point, and so on. Okay, the point is very small. Okay, and can continue until the last one. Okay, that will be for a PTCC and PTCC1. Let's jump to the next topics. So I go to V enter to go to the third one, PTCC and TA. So PTCC stands for put text sequence. Okay, put text sequence. Normal way, if I want to do text, it will be something like this, empty. Okay, so I just type empty for multiline text. So just specify here. So this one, I just try to type Acad systems -001 -A1, for example. Then if I plan to copy, then I just need to copy 1 by 1. Using PTCC, what you can do, okay, so you just go to this command, PTC, for example. Either you want to make it your numbering before your text or after your text, you just need to tick here. Okay, I just type Acad systems -001 -A, start with number 1. Okay, and then what I need to do, I just need to hit OK. I can just simply click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So much more faster compared to you need to create 1 by 1 and then copy, need to change the value of A1. So to make it more intelligent, so we will combine this PTC with TA, which is a text align features. So TA, select all the text, press enter. Select the base one, which is the first that you don't want to make it move. Okay, and then you can just drag your text as easy like this. Okay, so that will be for the PTCC and PTC plus TA. All right, so they will have few more joining. So the next features that we have in our account, so you can also use these features to find the minimum distance. Okay, for a certain case, we need to find a minimum distance for our project. So we have three major commands here. The first one, which is MMDT. Okay, MMDT is to find distance and put the dimension in the drawing. MDD is to find the distance without put the dimension, only show on the command bar at this bottom area. Okay, and for the MDL, to create the line for the MDD. So let's straight away go here. So I have one case study. So the approval, for example, from the authority, they ask my building must have at least 30 units. Okay, doesn't matter feet or anything, 30 units from the road, for example. Okay, for example, this one, this house and this road, minimum must have 30 units. So normally what we'll do, we will do dimension one by one to check. Okay, but using MMDT command, MMDT command, enter. So I can just directly click on the first line and second line. It will have to generate this value, 1 and 2. Okay, at this area, 1 and 2. Okay, so this one is less than 30. Then I need to do something, 1 and 2. Okay, so that's how MMDT helps. So in this case, if I don't want to show the dimension, so what can I do? I can just use MDD. So just click here and here. So later you will see on this command bar, so the value will become 34.9 something. Okay, so again, MDD from here to this line. Okay, and then the value will become 29 something. To make it align, so I just need to use the last command, which is MDL. Enter. Okay, so now I know that from this area, I need to change, or I need to do some changes for this line, or maybe can do the stretch. Okay, to make sure that my object is more than 30 units. Okay, from the road. So that will be the example for MDD and MDL. Okay, the best practice here. Okay, next we'll jump to the fifth one. Okay, just go to here. Okay, MT2CPL. Okay, in this case, if you have a lot of text and then you need to move it into the center. Okay, into the center. So what we need to do, normally the normal method that we will use this method. Okay, we will use command M enter, go to here, M, do it manually one by one until you get the result. Okay, but over here, when you have this command MT2CPL, so you just need to type MT2CPL, enter, select the object. In this case, I just select this one and press enter. Okay, so this command will help to generate the information to make sure that the text become the center of your box. So what if I plan to make it totally center? This one is really depends on your justification on the properties. Okay, you just need to type the justification, go here, change the justification left to middle center. So now 100% center. Same goes to these two. If you have two boxes, doesn't matter, you just need to type MT2CPL using one command. It will filter out all the line and all the unnecessary things. Just press enter. The command will help you to generate. Okay, same goes to here. If you want to change, just go to properties and change it. Okay, for the right side, I have a lot of tagging. For example, this one is my contour. Okay, I will already have a lot of tagging here. Okay, what if I plan to make sure that this tag becomes center of this area? Okay, this boundary here. So just use the same command, mt2cpl, select the text and press enter. So everything will become at the center here. Okay, but for sure that this text, you need to change the justification to the middle, because this one, from start, this one is on the left justified. So in this case, I just type mt2cpl one more time, select again and press enter. So everything will become at the center nicely for these boundaries. So that's how it works for this mt2cpl. Right? So the next one, I just want to go to these features, which is end copy. V, enter, this one, apply and OK. Okay, end copy, and move and remove FB. So normally when we have a block, okay, we will face a lot of issue. We need to exclude it and then reblock again, okay, which is time consuming. Okay, or you need to go to the block editor and then do the editing. So what if I want to copy one of the object here and copy become outside of my blocks itself? Okay, so I just need to type in. Okay, for example, the first one is copy and COPY and copy. So I just can choose this box and this tag, for example, press enter, specify the point, and I just can directly move it outside. The good things, your item will still as a block. While for the things that you copy, it will become their own properties. This one is a text and this one is a polyline. That will be the good things. Okay, no need to exclude your box. Okay, you just need to copy whatever inside your block, to outside. For move, if I plan to move a few items, okay, since this two is the same block, if I do changes for one block, for sure that others will follow together. Okay, when I go to and move command, I just try to click 1 and 2 nested object and specify the second point, move to here. You see that the left side and the right side will move together concurrently. Okay, while for the last one, instead of you need to go to the block editor and then remove the things that you don't want, you can also use remove FB, remove from block, RO, remove FB. Okay, so this one, I just want to remove this text and the circle. Press enter. So now the block will become a bit simplified. So that's how we work with the block. Okay, so in case if you want to make a block properly, okay, you can use a proper creation block. Okay, but if you want to edit, instead of you exclude and then reblock again, you can use this command using end copy, and move and remove FB. Okay, and we'll be jump to the another good tools, which is ARDT. Okay, we plan to create a text in a box in an array method. Okay, as you can see in this box, this will be the box that I require. First, P1, P2, and P3, which is the small box area. P4, P5, and P6, which is the big box. Okay, the bigger size of box. When I click ARTD, okay, make sure that the text height I already control. Okay, in this case, if I want to change the text height, I just go to annotation, go to this text style. Okay, make sure that I already changed the text height here. For example, 7.5. Apply. Okay, in this case, I just need to retype again. The command, the pop-up message will be still the same. Okay, to remind you, change the text height. Okay, and then what is the front prefix text? Okay, for example, I want to make it AS, which is ACAD system. Start with number 01, enter. So first I need to specify the P1. Okay, this one I just need to click on the object snap, make sure everything turn on first. P1. Second one is a P2, P3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so if you plan to rotate, then you just hit yes, or else you can click no. So it will become something like this. Okay, so what happened? It will become the bottom left will become the AS1, and then the top one, which is the P6 area, will become the last numbering. Depends on how many box, how many text it can fit. Okay, so that's how ARTD can help you. Okay, don't forget, after you download your drawing, after you download your ACAD Full C and then extract it, you can also use this demo file. Okay, so you can also go to here, full demo here, full demo 2020 V10 as your reference. So for example, I can go to here, open, and look for the file, which is under C. Okay, under C, ACAD Full C, this one, ACAD Full Demo 2020 V10. Okay, over here we have a lot of information that we share. Okay, just same like the previous step, which is PTCC and PTCC1, array method and copy method. Okay, so this also will be the good tools that everyone, I believe that everyone needed. Okay, so some drawing that converted from PDF, it will become a text. It's not multi-line text. So instead of you need to retype again using multi-line text, so what you can do, you can use this command T2M, enter. So if I just click it, it will try to collect everything, and when I click right click, it already become one multi-line text. So what if I don't want to collect, but I want to put new one here? So just use the same method, which is T2M, select 1, 2, and 3. Repeat again, T2M. I need to press shift when I select. Select 1, 2, and 3. Click, right click anywhere. So this one also already become a multi-line text. Okay, so you just use this one simple command can save a lot of your time. Okay, so that will be the things that I want to just go through here in this AutoLISPs topics. So if you really want to have these tools, don't forget to go back to our blogspot, the links that I share at the beginning. Okay, the link here. So this will be the link. So just go to this acadpgkl.blogspot.com. So just download from 2019 folder. You just download it and follow this step. Okay, the good news now for AutoCAD LT user. So I just now I already installed because the 2024 version already released in my account. So what I do, I just install AutoCAD LT software. Okay, this will be my AutoCAD LT software here. So this one is AutoCAD LT 2024. Okay, using the same drawing. Okay, using the same drawing here. Okay, I use the same concept, which is use a menu load, APP load. Okay, but using AutoCAD LT, we need to have one additional step. So just go to here, option. Okay, this one only for 2024 LT, right? Go to this plus symbols. Make sure that you press add ACAD Full C folder here. Then your LIPS will work just same like a full version, except for the features that LT don't have. Okay, for example, okay, since this one I already have something right. So I have one object, rectangle, and then I can go to here, copy rotate features. So just click here, enter, click, and copy first, and then directly rotate here using one command. Okay, using one command, you can copy and rotate together. So LT, we did have a few features, but yeah, I believe that we will try to work on it, okay, to get more features available for LT. Okay, if you really want to have a special features for your company, just request or just call our office, and then we will try to discuss further for this customization. So this one, I believe the LT can also do. So AutoCAD LT can also do text align. Select everything, enter. Select this one. In this case, they're not in a proper way, but it's okay. I just click option and distribute. So now already solved the issue. Okay. So the things that last for AutoLISPs that I will like to share. Okay, don't forget to go to this command micro, COMMAD, if you are using 2023 either LT or full version. So over here also, they will have a few lips that AutoCAD suggests us to use. For example, if I think that these features are very good for me, okay, so multiple fillets. Okay, so how AutoCAD can get this information? So if you, for example, if one day you keep doing fillet at the same size, then the inside will be pop up at this bottom area. So for this case, for example, if I want to use this command, so just go to this rectangle, create one rectangle here, So use this multiple fillets, try. Okay, and then what is the radius? For example, I want to make it 5. Then select object 1, 2. Can directly go to the next one. Instead of I need to type FI again, FI, and so on. Okay, so this one you can just directly go and try everything that you keep using. Okay, this will be the program here. Then you just need to save and put into your button here, right? So that will be the things that I would like to share for today. So don't forget to go to our website if you think that these topics are really interesting. Okay, so my suggestion now after this, if you using LT, just upgrade to 2024, directly upgrade 2024 today. Okay, then you just can directly install, go to this Blogspot, download and install. Then you can use the LIPs for free. Okay, but if you already use the full version, okay, just direct use the full version, and whatever version, okay, just install and use it. Okay, if you really not sure how to install, in the zip file, we also have one file, we call it as the docs file, how to install ACADSYS V8. So when you open this file, it will give the idea on how to install. So you just go to C drive, use the app load, menu load, just the same that I show you just now. Okay, just need to download this object first. Okay, so don't forget to go to our website and try to register all topics that may be related to your industry. Okay, so we did publish a lot of topics. In this case, we have a reinforcement foundation for Revit, and also we have also our free online courses. Okay, so for Plan 3D, okay, you can join us for next week, how to create equipment. Okay, don't forget to go to our YouTube also, subscribe, okay, our YouTube channel. So that will be the things that I would like to share for today. Any question here? Yeah, this is cool. Yeah, AutoLISP is very cool. Okay, just need to download and try to use. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. I believe they have no question here. So we'll see you for next topics. I believe that after this, AutoLISP topic will be a very famous topic because LT also can use. So we will try to plan to have a few more topics from the LIPS program. LT can run AutoLISP. I thought cannot. Yeah, the 2024 version only. Okay, so if you go to here, Autodesk had been released on their website. For 2024 version, AutoLISP for AutoCAD LT can run LIPS. Okay, but they have the additional step to run the LIPs in 2024 LT. Okay, Autodesk just released AutoCAD 2024 today. So you can go to your portal, manage.autodesk.com, download it. Okay, for LT user, can just download a LT, then can use the LIPs starting from today. Okay, make sure that your PC support to install 2024. Okay. All right, so much more easy. All right, thank you so much, everyone. Okay, see you on the next free online lesson and also free online courses. We did publish a lot more. Okay, just join us. Okay, all right, everyone, bye bye.